Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to save Hulu videos forever. While Hulu doesn't offer a straightforward method for permanently saving videos, we'll walk you through the best methods for keeping your favorite content. Let's get started. Option 1. Use the Hulu app for downloading. Ad-free plans only. Download Hulu app. First, download the Hulu app on your mobile device, iOS or Android. Upgrade to ad-free plan. To access the download feature, you need to be on the Hulu, no ads, or Hulu Plus Live TV, no ads, plan. Download content. Search for the videos or shows you want to save and tap the download icon next to them. This will save the content for offline viewing. Watch offline. Once downloaded, the content will be available in the downloads section of the app. Note, this method only lets you watch offline and doesn't allow permanent saving. The downloads are only accessible within the app and are deleted after a certain period or if you cancel your plan. Option 2. Use screen recording, not recommended. If you want to save Hulu content permanently, you can use screen recording software to capture the video while it's playing on your screen. Install screen recording software. Download software like OBS Studio, Camtasia, or QuickTime Player. Play Hulu content. Open Hulu in your browser and start playing the video you want to save. Start recording. Use your screen recorder to capture the video as it plays. Save the recording. Once the video ends, stop the recording and save the file to your computer or external drive. Store forever. Now you can store the video file on your computer or transfer it to an external hard drive or USB for long-term access. Note, this method can violate Hulu's terms of service, and the video quality may not match the original. It's not recommended for long-term storage. Option 3. Use third-party downloaders, not recommended. There are third-party downloaders that claim to help you download Hulu content and save it permanently to your device. These tools typically bypass Hulu's streaming system. Warning: using these tools can violate Hulu's terms of service, and they might expose your device to malware and other security risks. We do not recommend this method. Option 4. Record using capture devices, not recommended. You can also use external capture devices to record content from Hulu while it plays on your computer or TV. Connect capture device. Use a capture card or screen capture tool to record the content from your computer. Record Hulu content. Play the video on your device and let the capture device record it. Save the video. Once the video finishes, save the recorded file to your computer or external drive. Note, like screen recording, this method can result in poor quality and may violate Hulu's terms of service. Conclusion: there's no official way to save Hulu videos forever due to licensing restrictions. The best option for offline viewing is to use the Hulu app for downloading, but keep in mind that downloads are temporary. Screen recording or using third-party downloaders can help, but they come with quality loss and potential legal issues. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.